Most people won't change in 2026. They'll celebrate January 1st and quit by January 14th. Same goals, same habits, same excuses. But what if this year wasn't just another year? What if 2026 became the year you finally stopped surviving and started becoming dangerous to your old limits? This is not a fantasy. This is a real story. And more importantly, this is a real plan. This story isn't motivation, it's a mirror. The story. On December 29th, Ethan sat in his car outside his apartment complex in Ohio. Engine off, phone in his hand. Bills on the passenger seat. He wasn't broke, but he wasn't free either. 32 years old, no savings. A job he tolerated, not a life he wanted. Every night looked the same. Work, phone, junk food, sleep, repeat. He watched other people winning online and told himself, they got lucky. They had help. My time will come. But deep down, he knew the truth. Luck didn't skip him, discipline did. That night, something snapped. Not dramatically, not loudly, quietly. He realized something terrifying. If I keep living like this, only 5 more years will disappear. No rock bottom, no movie moment. Just a grown man scared of wasting his life. The decision that changed everything. On January 1st, Ethan didn't write goals. He wrote one sentence. I am done negotiating with my weak self. That was it, no vision board, no hype playlist, just a decision to stop lying to himself. He understood something most people never do. You don't need a new year. You need a new identity, the ugly beginning. The first month was brutal. Waking up early felt pointless. Working out felt embarrassing. Saying no to comfort felt lonely. There was no applause, no instant results. Some mornings he sat on the edge of his bed thinking, why am I even doing this? But he still stood up. Not because he was motivated, but because he decided who he was becoming. Small, boring wins: made his bed, deleted social media from his phone, walked instead of scrolling, saved money before spending it, read when his brain begged for dopamine. Nothing impressive. But something dangerous was forming. The shift by March, something changed. He trusted himself. For the first time in years, when Ethan said, I'll do it tomorrow, he actually did. That confidence spilled into everything. He spoke differently. He worked harder. He stopped accepting disrespect. He stopped numbing himself. By June, people noticed. By September, opportunities followed. By December, his life didn't look familiar anymore. Not because life got easier, but because he got stronger. The truth that separates winners from everyone else. Most people wait to feel ready. Winners move while afraid. Most people want comfort. Winners choose standards. Most people want change. Winners change who they are daily. 2026 won't save you. Motivation won't save you. Only daily discipline will. The 2026 action plan. No fantasy, no excuses. 1. Choose an identity, not a goal. Goals end. Identity stays. Say this. In 2026, I am the type of person who... Examples. Finishes what he starts. Trains even when tired. Saves money like his future depends on it. Controls his urges. One identity. Live it daily. Win the first hour. Your life is decided before 8 a.m. Rules. Same wake-up time. No phone for 30 minutes. Move your body. Feed your mind. Lazy mornings create hard lives. Disciplined mornings create freedom. 3. Kill one weak habit. Not everything needs improvement. Something needs elimination. Pick one. Scrolling. Junk food, late nights, porn, alcohol, negative environments. If it weakens you, it goes. 4. Track reality. Feelings lie. Numbers don't. Track. Workouts, money, consistency, learning. What gets tracked gets respected. Think in 12 months. Stop asking, is this working? Start asking, who will I become if I don't quit? Time is passing anyway. Use it or lose it. The ending that matters. On December 31st, 2026, you will look back, not at what you wanted, but at what you did. One version of you will say, I wasted another year. The other will say, I became someone I respect. Same world. Same year, same opportunities. Different discipline. Make 2026 uncomfortable. Make it honest, make it disciplined. And it won't just be a good year. It will be the year you finally won yourself.